A nation without theatre is a voiceless nation. Nigeria is a nation without theatre, so that's why we're really voiceless. Hello, my name is Joshua Alabi. I'm the founder of Kininso Koncepts, and I'm a lover of theatre and everything theatre.
Kininso means what are you saying? We wanted to speak and be heard. We wanted art to be perceived with some level of respect.
Our journey with the British Council started in the early 2000s when I attended a workshop by the Rotozaza Theatre Company, a workshop about alternative storytelling, how to make theatre works without necessarily having to do the regular African theatre style. All those workshops put together, and even the ones I didn't mention, they've formed me. I'm happy to be attached to the brand British Council.